I was part of a mastermind group, and we kind of constructed our vision statements. And, part of that was thinking about your why. And you're right. This was my why. But then my vision statement, when you compare it to my why, wasn't necessarily aligning. And funny enough, I went to the appliance conference when I missed the video 2 weeks ago. That was one of the topics was, what is your why for running an appliance company, being in this industry? And, just thinking, for me, it's the challenge of it. So it's not necessarily that I love washers and dryers.
Right.
I do like electronics. I love electronics. I love how they integrate. I love how they've been advancing. But I'm not one to say, okay, I'm going to go out and find the latest and greatest washer. I'm not looking at it. But anyway, long story short, the why it's the challenge. And I feel like that fits inside of my vision statement. And it also fits with the culture of the people that I like to surround myself with. Because in doing this type of thing, you're going to be challenged with different types of failures. So you kind of need that. So in short, it just kind of aligns itself naturally.